Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss how we can consume a Revit package on ACC. In our last video, we've seen how we can create a package. Now let's consume that one. But before than that, let me show you how our docs or Autodesk docs or what we can say document management folder structure will get affected based on creation of the package. So let me click on document docs right here. And as MEP guy had shared its package, right? So if I'll click on shared right here, inside MEP, I'll be able to see the file with the latest model, right? Now, how it will impact, it means whether it is architectural guy or structural guy or any of the team members who have the access of the shared folder, he can see that MEP guy had shared its file. There are two options. He can copy the file from right here and he can go for his WIP consumed folder and he can place right there. But that is not a good way, right? Let me click on WIP right here and let me show you in architectural tab, we are having a consumed folder as well. We are not have okay, we are having MEP folder right here. I guess we already consumed this file, but in previous versions. So let me consume this file again. So for example, right now you can see I have consumed this file at 9:23 p.m. Okay, on 14th of April. But if I'll go in MEP file and shared one, I got the latest file by 10:31 p.m. So let's consume this one. How we can consume this file so that it will be coming directly in my architectural's consumed folder, right? By the way, these folders are automated generated. When you are using design collaboration, when you set up the teams on design collaboration, these folder structure will automatically come. Okay. Now let me go back for design collaboration right now, and let me see how I can consume a Revit package. So I am an architect and I want to consume the MEP's model. Okay, so let me click on shared right here. I'm an architect. Let me go for MEP. Click on this bubble and it'll give me consume option right here. Let me consume this one. Click on consume and I'll start consuming the MEP model. It has done. This icon is filled. Let me show you what has changed under docs. Now earlier our architecture folder, inside the architecture folder, we got the consumed one, right? So let me go for WIP, architecture, consume, inside that one MEP, and the date will change right here. Let's wait for a couple of seconds because it's right now changing. Now you can see right here, it has shown 1037. It means we already consumed the file that MEP guy had shared. So that is how we can utilize this particular file for linking so that whatsoever the another stakeholders are changing, we have the control what needs to be taken and what does not need to be taken. Thanks for guys watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.